Alright, we've reached the carpeting stage of this build. I got this stuff online, on online fabric store or something. It's just polymat or something to match the inside of my trunk. Cut a piece of it to match the size of the piece of wood. This is so stupid.
It's a little janky, ain't it?
Alright, reading the instructions, it says you gotta spray both surfaces and then let it dry. So, that's what we're gonna do.
Getting high off these toxins.
It's really windy, so this is fucked.
Don't be getting that on my J's, bro.
Sorry, bro. Dude, look, it's all going that way. Whoever drives there.
You're gonna hate when you edit this video.
Whoever parks there is not gonna be able to drive away.
Because we got that Super 77. Let's get a POV shot.
Spray the camera.
Yo, do you have saran wrap? So we can do that?
Do what?
You know how Casey Neistat does that? Okay.
Alright, so here's the moment of truth. Sticking this bad boy together. We really should have got some weights or something to put on this.
Yeah, we should have done that. Let me back my car up onto it. Actually, not a bad idea.
It wouldn't be.
You want to do that? Will it crack the wood? Unless...
Right. See how long the dry time is? So, we out here doing the most ratchet things, but they work. First side is all stuck to it. Now we just need to make a few relief cuts so we can wrap it around. Cut, and now I'm just gonna do the same thing I did for the front and then flip it over and then weigh it down that way. Hopefully that'll get a good stick. Text me. Smells good.
That shit smells.
So you said that you used this before?
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty nice.
Did it work well?
Very well. Bro, I need a gimbal.
That would be useful.
My hand is shaky.
Here.
Huh?
That would be a useful piece of technology.
You're gonna have a fun time editing.
Alright, waited a few seconds. Now I think I'm just gonna start putting pieces down. Try to get it as tight as I can. Got it laid out right now. All the corners are tucked and got weights on it.